Everybody wants to be a trader, Mike V. All right, listen, okay? The most important thing that I did today, besides going to maybe 19 for 20 with winners, and I should, been doing it for 30. I stare at this thing every day for probably 40, 50, 70, 100,000 hours. It sinks in. Most important thing I said in the day is this. I'm telling you. Let me get back to what I'm saying. By the way, UNG, I got to point this out. I got to look at this. UNG, where's Dale? What do I do with this? Look at this look at this UNG. I got a bid for it, especially the weekend. I love when they wash people out at the weekend. Did that do volume? Right here, this volume print, I got to do it. I got to do it, all right? I'll buy freaking 8,000 UNG at the market. I'm in. They got me. Sometimes a big downtick there. I just had a huge downtick. What the hell happened here? There you are. I should sell some. Yes. 5, 8, 4,000 more. TNA. Dollar Tree. GCT. Oh, hold on. Oh, fuck. Most important thing I said is this. As a young pup, walking through another one, Jesus feed. Okay? Here it goes. Serve, top open interest, serve. I'm in it. And you should be in it. Why? There's multiple reasons. Number one is the point that I finally want to make is focus. Number two, even if you're not focused, I'm here to focus you, get you focused. And this is it. Bro. My universe, buckle up, always upgrades, downgrades, always in TGH. There's my universe. Take a look now. Riven was big. CRNC sexy hours ago. Riven is big. Where's Riven, you ask Mike V, when I said it was sexy? 14, 16. Riven. Want to stop that? Want to step in front of that? Maybe it's a one-day wonder. Fine. Nvidia. Calls off the board yesterday. What else were we looking at? CRNC, sexy? Yes, it was, Mike V. And it was sexy for a couple of reasons. First of all, because I said it was. Secondly, I actually put why it was sexy because, you know, sometimes there's what they do. We're up 32% pre-market. The company expands its partnership in NVIDIA. You might as well say cancer when it comes to drugs, when it comes to stocks. So CRNC is sexy. I didn't post many, but gap and go. CRNC posted sexy. 11, there's 14. Probably still going higher. Next. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not superstitious. I can say this. I have 28 years of data. Believe me, my empirical DNA is shockingly correct. Meaning, I got my time frames. But if this is easy, it is. It is. Serve calls off the board hours ago. BFLY. Look at yesterday. Another one. Knox. BFLY. Butterfly. I joke. Does it really matter if you got a Bugatti next door, if you made it on freaking Butterfly Networks? No. And NOX worked. Lunar. Same thing yesterday. Rinse and repeat. Algos, bull flag, boom, new high. They take it up again. Job is to make money, not be right. So I am aware. Well aware what Microsoft is. And by the way, I'm not being this cavalier. Usually, listen, we're fishing. I'm where the fish are. When it's hunting season, you know, when it's turkey season, you want to be hunting turkeys. You're not out there shooting ducks. If you are, you're in the right, you know, we're in the right. I want to fish with, I want to fish where the freaking fish are. I'm trying to lead you to the pond. I'm aware that Microsoft, maybe it's a lake, maybe you're in Minnesota. Minnesota, in the States has like, what is it, 11,000 Great Lakes? Granted, Microsoft's a bigger lake than either, so don't freaking fish in that lake right now. If you do, sure, you know, whatever. What else is fishing the lake? British Petroleum's actually is live, taking live action. And I said, Coach, you got to back me up here, or somebody. BP, it's not sexy. It may be emblematic for more oils to come. It was. Bros, still in it. I sold the gap up in Bros. Still have a little more. Sold a nice gap up in Bros. Matter of fact, I sold the freaking top at Bros. I was in it from yesterday. Look at yesterday's power hour, 56. Took some more to 58, made a deuce. Big deal. It's easy. Look at it. New high. All right, it didn't work. It didn't work. At least he has forgiveness with range, price, action, and volume driven. Is it over? No. All right, what else? The NAS. Let's get the more macro things if Coach didn't say it. Got to hold the 50-day. Got to hold the 50-day. Or else nothing else matters. Whisper. GBX. Bait the way. Market feels like it's pulling back here. It is. My P&L just dipped 20,000. I'm not happy with that. UNG should be going up. Did I get it? Where's my price? 1571. That's a horrible price. That's why we got to buy 4,000 more. UNG right into support. I don't want to get buried. You know, if I do have to. Where are my charts? My charts. This UNG, I don't want to get buried in the week in this thing. And I'm watching natural gas and football quotes. I like it's a Friday. They're unwinding. If it wasn't a Friday, I wouldn't be as aggressive. I'm aggressive for the 12,000 shares. Come on. I got to do it. Now there's the weekly. That's an issue. I don't like the weekly breaking them. $15.50 is the weekly, the line in the sand. CRNC, it's hold it up. Hold on. ZK, I'm up in this thing. The old cell, my freaking play of the year. Fuel cell. I'm having the fun too, but I tell you something. This fuel cell. Where is it? Hydrogen. I'm bullish on this thing. And believe me, I'm not freaking the one doing the disseminating the information. Hydrogen. Telling you. Don't make me say I told you so. Laser acting well. Riven. DBAI, why not? CLSK. What's on the bad board? I can guess what's on the bad board. I can look at, I know what's on the bad board. Let's look at be honest as these other ones go. Percent losers. Day. Holo, big deal. Boyle, I'm in it. UNG, I'm in that. So I'm in the biggest losers today. Nice. Alcoa. Issue. What happened to all those calls there in Alcoa? Alcoa. Freaking, what do they call that thing? The aluminum sector getting hit. Not good for FCX. There's FCX. Punted that. You proud of me, Coach? Those are the wrong type of calls. I knew it too. They were writing calls. They were selling them. FCX. So they're selling commodities. Let's look at the most active because that's on a Friday at lunchtime. If we call that lunchtime, basically around 11:30 in the US, these are the winners. QSI worked. Quantum computing, NVIDIA, self-explanatory. Quantum computing, CRNC brought it up. I'm not in it. Boy, look at that stock. Now I got to highlight it. CRNC brought it up. Sound brought it up. Riven brought it up. Tesla, Soxo, Planeteer up 3. Typical. Mara. All those calls worked on Mara. Look at it. How about Riot bouncing back and forth on the 200? They had that too. Ugh. Lewis, remember how they were taking all those calls on Riot down there? All he wanted, calls, 10. It's 11. Wolf. I have no volume. There's nothing on here. P&A. Said, sir, look at all these offers, sir. 1840. That's gonna be gone. This is in the old days by 50,000. Offered 1860. 1840 will be the watch this. This is the old Schoenfeld days. Don't do that anymore. Watch. 40's gone. New high. Chewing on the upgrade. Reddit. What's wrong here? Anybody have a problem with Reddit? Where are my charts? Anybody got a problem with Reddit here? RSI is freaking 6-1. SLQT calls. SLQT calls. Not in it. My New Year's resolution is to not initiate stocks below 5. That might change. All right. Listen, it's crypto. Maybe they'll take crypto off for the weekend. CLSK. Maybe they're one-day wonders. We always stick to volume and price action, right? Do I have any people here? Mick, don't take your foot off the pedal when things are going well, saying you don't see things. Don't be biased. BT, Jeff. I'll do it. You're good at this, Jeff. I'm not going to lie. I got it. Bit digital. BITF. No. Kit. I know Kit. I'm a Knight Rider fan. How can I not know Kit? Kit Robotics. Those older than 40 and know who Knight Rider is. Kit Rob, not bad. Nick, oh my God. I'm sorry. Jeff coming in one with Kit. That's actually getting written down. QBTS is coming to my mind. It is. I'm not going to argue. Who's going to argue with that? You might as well argue with Mooner. Same thing. Oh, look at this, Jeff. Somebody heard me. More people listen to the podcast than you think. Look at this. As Jeff says, he likes BT. Look at Jesus. There you go, Jeff. You're not Jesus, are you, Jeff? No, I know Jesus. Name's Jay. BT bullish. Feb 7 calls, 32,000. All right. Let's see what the tweets are doing. Jeff, thanks for tuning in. I don't mean to sound so pitchy or game showish. Really do appreciate it. My love, Float Boy IT. Who's he doing? Frey. You know what? That Frey was taking. Hit Jeff. Everyone. This is the next one. Frey. The battery. That's it. LICY, Mick. Jeff. SES. SLI. Don't bring that one up. I can't stand it. Anyway, watch that Frey. LICY. My boy IT, man, he's good. It's good for the low floors. Riven, sound. We're all doing the same thing, guys. I brought it up. How many times did I bring up Riven? VST worked. All right, focus. Okay, the STS. Fish where the fish are. If you're a pro, you know how to use better bait. You know how to maybe get a couple more. That's it. Okay, go where the action is. You know what? Good traders run towards the volatility. All right. Ah, it's freaking snowing here, 30 degrees. Actually, it's mild out today. GEV, Connor, he knows. Why is he bringing up GEV? Because it goes with what? VST. Same fish. VST. GEV is actually even better. Exactly. GEV is going higher with or without you, Bob. That's what I used to say as a broker. I'd rather be in it. There's another one. Again, I only follow 66 people on this. The freaking black cat under me. Shit. Lou. I mean, Bear. That's his name. Same thing. My boy, these are the parameters that the TP follows. Maybe too many. I got a little simpler. Over the 8-day, over the 21-day, buying volume, buyers 98. That's what you need. This is you should. Everybody should have general queries, curated, give or take or whatever, predicated on your style. Everybody's looking at Riven. I don't care if you're a scalper, a swing trader, or Riven's going to be one of the top stories on the news. Trust me. Surfs up back. Look at him. Surfs up. Who shows up at the end? iRobot. iRobot taking calls. There's one. That'll give you an indication right there what's going on. iRobot. If they're taking up iRobot, why can't they take up Kit? There's iRobot. You're going to step in front of this iRobot. Look what it does. You know, it's another one. Fizz. Now they're taking up memes. Fizz. Fizz, fizz. Oh, what a relief it is. Costs. I'm going to meme now. Well, how about a Children's Place? I love that stock. Children's Place worth a stabber? Chewy's the one though leading the way on the upgrade. I'll leave it there, okay? Now I'm getting, you know what I mean? I want to take a walk. Now they pulled me back in. Apple, big deal. Chef, where's Dwayne Collins? He's doing something. Where's DC? Where's Gerard? Gee, where are you? No Happy New Year? Chewy's the one that leading the way on the upgrade. Come on, G. I know you found a way. I know what you do. QS. Jeff. Now I'm getting Jeff with QS. I'm telling you, it just the calls are off the. Look at QS, looks great. Matter of fact, I'm telling my friend right now to double up on QS. Fact. Live. Double up on QS calls. Double up on QS calls. That's an actual individual that's already in them. Now let's see him go buy the Jesus feed. QS, why not? It's in the right sector. Batteries, all the batteries. The NVX is taking the day off, like we said. Actually, it's up now. You know what actually popped? Array. Oh, lastly, I gotta say last. I could talk all day. SHLS. Do your own due diligence. Shoals Technology. Now I'm getting excited. I'll leave it. Now I'm getting, you know what I mean? Now I'm getting greedy. QS, guys, those things have options. The ones that haven't worked are grab. I'm buried in JMIA, the African Amazon. So I'm bullish on the African economy. Why not? Grows. Oh, calls. FRSH. They're buying the stock. See this pop up here? Consolidating within this range. Freshworks. Freshworks. Calls are going off in this thing, and a lot of them. Matter of fact, I have it highlighted. I'm not in it yet. If somebody has an opinion, I'm dead freaking serious, or wants to get it, play it. Freshworks calls. Calls that have been hot. BP, FRSH, actually NVIDIA, UNG. Where's that one? I'm in UNG. I'm an investor. Am I a trader or an investor in the UNG? Ooh, I'm a trader. UNG, we fucked them up down there. UNG. Everybody call. It's not a 5-star position, but I'd like to get more 1561. I bought the first topper. UNG. All right, I'll let it go. Now we'll look at the other ones. RRC. Is that bouncing the best of breed nat gas stock? I'm talking too much. Flagging. Let's look at CRK. I'll leave it there. Mike V. I'm starting to lose my breath anyway. I'll be here for Power Hour. Thanks for everybody for sharing. Tradeview Markets for sponsoring. SERP's up behind the scene. Coach by leading. Mike V. Cheers.